Once upon a time, in a jungle far, far away, lived a friendly saber-toothed cat named Saber-toothed Sam. Sam was not like the other saber-toothed cats. While they were known for their fierce roars and sharp teeth, Sam was kind-hearted and loved to play. One day, Sam found a lost baby bird who had fallen from its nest. He gently picked it up and decided to help it find its home. Sam asked the animals of the jungle for directions, but nobody seemed to know where the baby bird's home was. A clever little squirrel suggested, "Follow the sound of the river, and you will find the bird's home." Sam followed the sound of the river and soon came across a beautiful tree with a nest high up in its branches. With a cheer, Sam called out, "I've found you, baby bird. You're home at last." The baby bird chirped happily, and its mother flew down to thank Sam. She thanked him for his kindness and promised to remember him. From that day on, Sam was no longer just the friendly saber-toothed cat, he was the hero of the jungle. Each day, he helped the animals of the jungle, teaching them that kindness and compassion can go a long way. So, remember the story of Saber-toothed Sam, and always try to be kind to others, for you never know whose life you might change. Good night, little ones. Dream of kind-hearted saber-toothed cats and the adventures they have.